To Dutch braid your hair, first separate your hair into a top section and a bottom section. Hold the top section with both hands and let the bottom section hang down. Then divide the top section of your hair into 3 equal strands. Pass the right strand under the middle strand, then pass the left strand under the middle strand. Now grab some more hair with your hand that's holding the right strand and pass the new section of hair under the middle strand along with the right strand. Grab some more hair with your hand that's holding the left strand and do the same thing. Continue braiding your hair like this until you've added all of the hair from the bottom section. Then braid the rest of the 3 strands in your hand like a normal braid. Finally, secure the braid with a hair tie when you get to the end, and you're done.